In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to use filter to find the perfect theme, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Themes in it. From here click on Add New. Then select Feature Filter from top. Here you have filters of subject, features and layout. Let's select one subject, features as theme options and layout to be 2 columns, then click on Apply Filters button. Now you can see all the results after the filters. On top we have filtering by, blog, theme options and 2 columns. You can edit your filters from here. And we have all these theme options related to the filters we applied. Now again go to the feature filter and from here clear all the filters and click on Apply Filters button. Here we can see, we have 200 options. On top, we also have options like featured, popular, latest, favorites and feature filter to apply filters in your results. So this is how you can use filters to find the perfect theme. Thank you for watching.